I got these auxiliary lights. They're pretty dope. LED fixture with a glass lens. They're really bright actually. But the clamp is rubbish. And it doesn't fit on the bike. So what I did was I designed in CAD a 3D part to replace this clamp with. And I just picked it up. This is it here. So it has a convex groove, tapered groove, same profile as the light. But the holes I made were slightly too small, so I need to match them up to the machine screw that actually came with the light, which is 4.6 mil, so 5 mil hole. I'll just re-tap these little holes here. So that worked out great. I need to change these machine screws, but it's going to work killer. So it worked out great. Clamps to the front, light protection thing. It worked out good.